Hey my beauty family, this is Valya. Welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll show you this look I'm wearing now, which is a very nice, deep, intense, chocolate, pink, glitter eyed look with pink nude lips, which is my recommendation for you for the night out look, for the special event look, for the night, a date night, something intense and special for you. So, if you want to know how you can create that look, let's get right immediately into this video to show you how you can do it. I have prepared my brows as usual with my Brow Ultra Slim by Maybelline defining pencil in the shade medium brown. I have cleaned up my brows with my Wet n Wild flat concealer brush and my Ultra liquid concealer in the shade vanilla, and now I'm ready to clean my lid area. I'm gonna apply my Ultra liquid concealer in the shade vanilla as I have told you, and I will apply much of the product on my lid to prepare them for the shadows. Of course you can apply a lid primer, as I have told you many times, anything you think is most suitable for your skin, your type, but I prefer the concealer in a lighter tone than the concealer I use for my under eyes. Then I'm going, after I prepared my lid, I'm going to wear my shadows. For today, I will use my classic Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose. This is very nice, classic Reloaded Velvet Rose palette, which has all the undertone of brown and shimmery and matte and yellow. For today's video, I will do for you a very nice chocolate pink glittery eyeshadow look with nude lips. So I'm going to take my eyebrow 104 and I have chosen this on the edge this on the edge shadow, which is a light medium brown, to prepare my crease. Of course I'm taking my small mirror with my cat and I'm gonna apply all the shadow on my crease. I'm gonna do an intense look, glittery look, for night out, special event, very nice look. Apply all the shadow on the crease from the inner corner, back and forward. You have to apply much better than shadow, back and forward from the outer corner to the inner corner, and the same way, and some of it upwards under your brow. Then I'm going to wear this shadow, which is a brown, an undertone darker than the shade of the crease, and taking this fluffy, flat, big brush, as you see, and apply this on the outer corner and turn it up on the inner corner and do the same motion. Very nice, these colors, and it is a classic palette, this Reloaded Revolution. You can find it everywhere, it's very affordable, and you can do many looks with that. And some of that upwards under your brow. Then I'm taking this fluffy, shorter brush with which I'm gonna do my outer corner, and taking this, which is a dark brown shadow, and this fluffy short brush, as you see, and apply the shadow near to the lid to do some corner, and I'm pull it up under my brow, just a little of that. Then I'm going to take my Cosmo Fan number 110. This is a very flat brush to apply. I'm gonna use my Pop Fill palette, which has only shimmery shadows, and I'm gonna take this on the edge, which is a very nice light pink shimmery color, and I'm gonna apply this on my inner corner, on my lid on the inner corner to give some brightness. Very nice color this is. Love that color, very, very beautiful. And after that, I'm gonna use some glitter. I'm gonna take this, of course, another fluffy, big, long brush, and I'm gonna take my Usa's shimmer palette within this. It is a big palette with 10 glittery shadows, and I'm gonna use, to apply your glittery shadows, you can use a glue or your fixing spray. I'm gonna take my Revolution fixing spray. I'm gonna spray some pumps on the brush and taking this, which is a very nice dark pink glitter, to apply over the shimmery shadow. I love glittery looks, especially now in the summer. Taking my mirror, always you must have a big mirror in front of you and a small mirror to apply the shadows, everything you want near you, and apply that glittery shadow over the shimmery pink. I really love that color. It is a dark pink. Any glitter you want, of course. In this look, I could have used a green color or a gold color, but I prefer, because I think it's very summery, very intense, very nice, very light, and nice, the fuchsia, the dark pink. Of course, as I have told you, you can use and the gold and color and green color, not blue or other color. Just some coffee with my new Born to Sparkle water glass. Look what a big glass water with inside has all coffee, because I need coffee while I work. It is the same color with my glittery shadow and my t-shirt. I'm gonna use my Blossom Glow Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder and taking my eyebrow 103 and taking this highlighter to apply it under my brow bone. The same I will apply it after on my inner corner. Now I'm applying it on my brow bone before I continue. And of course I'm going to continue with my other eye with the same way. On this look, I will not wear an eyeliner as I used to do, a black or a brown, because it is very intense and I have to do a glitter, matte glitter. So I'm gonna go immediately in my lashes. For today I will use my natural soft handmade 3D lashes, lightweight fluffy, and these are they are 3D and fluffy and big brushes. Let me show you. It's the first time I'm wearing them, but I really love them. They are very nice, big, fluffy 3D lashes, and I will wear them, of course. After I have worn my lashes, which, as you see, they are very fluffy, very big lashes. I love them, and very nice lashes. I'm gonna continue with the rest of my face. As always, for today I will be using my Maybelline Face Studio Prime Protecting Primer with SPF 30. And I will use that primer. Then I have to wear my two foundations together. My L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 32 Hours. This is it. In the shade Sable Sand 220, and the other is my Cyan Liquid Foundation Golden Tanned 030. These two, I'm gonna mix them. It is a more beige and more darker, more gold color. I'm gonna apply them on the back of my hand. and taking to start my Wet n Wild fluffy flat brush to apply all the foundation, and after that I will continue to apply the foundation with my beauty blender. I have told you many times that I like to apply all my bases starting from brushes and continue with beauty blenders. I think it's the best way to apply your liquid basic product. And then I will apply, will continue with my concealer, my True Skin Cut-Rich High Cover Concealer with Hyaluronic Acid Waterproof in the shade 032 Neutral Biscuit. I'm gonna apply that on my inner corner, on my outer corner, of course, some dots on the nose and some product between the brows, near to the nose, two lines which is like a mini lift near your mouth, and some product on your skin, on your chin. Over that, of course, I will apply another product, my Ultra Liquid Concealer, an undertone lighter to give some brightness, especially now on the inner corner and everywhere you have applied the previous product. And I will apply all my concealers with my Beauty Wet Blender. I avoid the brushes to avoid the wrinkles, to do damage into my face, onto my face. So I apply all my liquid products. I try to apply with Beauty Blenders. I have told you that as an advice many times, and I insist on that. Never take a brush and pull away all your under eye, your nose. You will cause truly wrinkles. It's more soft to apply the product, especially under your eye. Just tap the product into your skin. Easy and soft. Tap, tap, tap. And it will gonna apply it very, very well. Now I'm going to continue with my MUA black liquid cream blush in the shade Watermelon. I will apply some of that with the creamy blush on the back of my hand. No, I applied too much. No matter, I will correct that. I will apply some of that. I'll take just a few with my beauty blender to apply it on my, and some of that on my other cheek. Just a few. You don't need much of that product, it is so intense. Of course, I'm going to continue with my other. I'm going to continue with my Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I will take my big 11 eyebrow brush and take this product to contour. Contouring my teeth, my forehead, and my jawline, and some of the product down to my neck. Of course, I'm going to take my eyebrow loose powder and this fluffy big brush to set up my under eye, because it's the most suitable powder always. The powder, the translucent, to apply and to set up your under eyes, because it's more light color. And a light texture for your under eyes. And then I will take my L'Oreal Infallible 24 hours fresh wear foundation and powder and my eyebrow 11, of course, to set up the rest of my face. Always prefer a loose powder for your under eyes. Of course, continue with my Scanlon Blusher Professional look with the black, powdery black with highlighter, my eyebrow 11 to apply it over my cheeks, a few on my nose, very nice, very pretty summery color. And then I'm going to continue with my eyebrow 105 and also my Blossom Glow highlighter to apply it over my cheeks, a few on my nose, on my temple. And on my cupid bow. Now I'm going to continue with the same shadow that I put on my under eye. I'm gonna put the same on my bottom eye to continue to finish with my eye. Of course, I'm going to continue with my The Colossal Maybelline Curl Bounce Mascara, which is a deep intense mascara, a few on my bottom eye, because my lashes are very long. And as I can see, the last step is my lipstick. For today, I'm gonna use my Air Woman number 006, which is a very deep chestnut lip liner. And of course, inside my lips, I will wear my shiny lip gloss in the shade 46 Delicate Nude. It is a very nice pink nude color. Look what a nice pink nude color this is. I love this color for the summer now that I'm in tan. And the last step, the last of them, is my fixing spray. I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray Peach Cream to make our makeup last during all the day. Of course, I have told you that the fixing spray, you can wear it at the beginning of your makeup look, as a primer, as a mist, something to hydrate your skin before you start your makeup, but I prefer to use it as a fixing spray. But you can use it in both ways, just to correct a few my lip liner. So my friends, this is my complete finished look. I hope this look is nice, is beautiful, you can create it alone. And if you like that video, give it some thumbs up, leave a comment below, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't and ring the notification bell. And stay tuned to see the upcoming videos. Love you, my friends!